Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to teach you how to cook braised prawns, which is a typical Chinese dish with sweet salty flavor. Here we go. As ingredients, we need to prepare ginger, onion, prawns, crystal sugar, cooking wine, salt, and oil. If it is convenient for you, I would recommend you to weigh the crystal sugar and salt in order to keep a constant flavor. For 250 gram prawns, I suggest to add 25 gram crystal sugar and 5 gram salt. From my experience, you can also use normal sugar. Then use a half onion and cut it into small pieces, because that would be easier to extract its flavor into oil in the next step. Dice the ginger first into slices. For this dish, we need 5 slices of it. Then shred them. Finally, cut them into small particles. So far, we have prepared all the ingredients. Let's move to the next step. Heat the pan and add a little bit more oil as usual into it, because the oil here will not only be used to extract the onion's flavor, but also be used to fry the prawns. Here you need to pay attention to it in order to make sure you won't burn it. When you smell it, pour all the prawns into the pan and separate them well in the pan. Firstly, fry one side of the prawns and then another side. Later, you could choose whatever method as you can to make them cooked. Now, add about 15 ml cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Add about 5 grams salt. In my kitchen, a small teaspoon of salt is exactly 5 grams. Stir and stir evenly. Put all the ginger into the pan and stir them evenly with the prawns. The last step is to add the crystal sugar, which can not only provide the sweety flavor, but also make this dish shiny in the end. The crystal sugar cannot be easily melted, so that we need to add extra water, but not too much. Cook it for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, take all the prawns out and place them on a new plate. When the rest juice looks thick, pour it on the top of the dish. Here you go. Good appetite! Hey guys, if you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you!